This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a licensed UAE broker that lists ADX and DFM access. This determines fees and available instruments. Once chosen, gather Emirates ID, passport, and proof of address so KYC moves fast. Make sure to link your UAE bank account for AED transfers and to enable real-time funding. You do this because a verified account and linked bank let you place orders immediately and avoid settlement delays, which is crucial when opportunities are time-sensitive. Once your account is funded, build a focused watch list and use the broker's market depth to gauge liquidity and volume. You do this to avoid slippage. Then analyze basic financials and recent news for each stock so your entries have rationale. Next, select an order type, market for speed, limit to control price, stop loss to protect capital, and enter position size based on a fixed risk percentage. This sequence ensures execution aligns with your risk plan and market conditions. You close trades according to preset exit rules, hit profit targets, use trailing stops as winners run, or implement time-based exits to limit overnight risk. Make sure to monitor positions with alerts and intraday charts so you can react to sudden moves. If something goes wrong, orders not filling, platform errors. First, check your internet and bank settlement status, then contact broker support with order ID. This process reduces losses and restores trading capability quickly when technical issues are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.